welcome to today's lesson. My name is Miss Oyin and it's good to have you here. Today we'll be learning two new sounds. We're learning the sound x and y. But first, I'll tell you a story. There's this boy, he's so naughty, he's really boisterous. He's playing outside and he falls and he hurts his arm. Mommy takes him to the hospital and he has to do an x-ray. And as they put his arm in the x-ray machine, we keep hearing the sound x, x, x. And they finally got an x-ray of his arm. Thankfully, he didn't break it. So the action to this sound is x. Let's do that together. X. Just like you're taking a picture. X. Well done. I'll teach you a song about it. X, x. Take an x-ray. X, x. Take an x-ray. X, x. Take an x-ray, x-ray of my arm. So let's sing it again. X, x. Take an x-ray, x, x. Take an x-ray, x, x. Take an x-ray, x-ray of my arm. Well done. So I'll teach you the formation of this sound. It's a slant again, just like v and w. A slant. Come back up, another slant. Let's do that again. A slant, then come up, another slant in the other direction. Well done. There are not so many words that begin with the sound x. Today we have a xylophone. A xylophone. Well done. So let's learn the other sound y. So I'll be teaching you the sound y. So with y, I'll tell you a story. I love to eat yogurt and bananas. Yummy. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. That's the song for this sound. And this is the action, yeah. Well done. So now it's time to learn the formation. We go this way and up, come down with a tail. Let's do that again. And up, come down with a tail. Fantastic. Well done. Let's link to some objects. We have yam, a yacht, yellow, yogurt. Very well done. It's time to blend now. Let's blend with the sounds we just learned. We have y, a, ya, y, e, yeah, y. Oh, would you try that one? Good reading. Let's do that again. Yeah, fantastic. So let's try y, a, and an extra sound. So let's go. Yam. Good reading. Yam. Well done. Now let's blend with the sound x, x, x. Now let's blend with the sound x. We have and x. Let's put it together. Ox. Again. Ox. Let's put another sound to my left. B-o-x. Box. Again. Box. We take b away and then we have ox. Fox. Fantastic. Good job with your blending. I'm so proud of you. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.